Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a healthy and delicious beans with chicken recipe. This is a very quick recipe to make that does not require a lot of ingredients and very tasty to eat. Before we get started, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Let's get started. Let's start with chicken breast. Take one chicken breast and slice it into thin pieces. The trick to cutting thin slices is that you keep your knife sharp and hold it horizontally and do one stroke at a time like you see over here. This way the chicken will stay tender and juicy. Heat a pan and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Now add the chicken and stir until the color changes. After the color changes, add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and add salt as per your taste. Finally, add half cup of water and cover it until half of the water is left. Now give it a little quick stir. Now we want to add our beans. Add 1.5 cup of beans, which we have already boiled. If the beans are not tender, you can add another half cup of water in here and cover it for about 10 minutes. Now we will cut green peppers. Take 1 green pepper and cut it. This part is totally optional. If you like it spicy, go ahead and do this. It makes the taste come out even more. Now stir it until all of the water has dried up. Tasty beans with chicken is ready to be served with your favorite salad. This is a very healthy and tasty and easy recipe to make. Give this recipe a try. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so that you can receive our coming up videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.